Now you understand how options behave, but still, most traders lose money. Why? Because of repeated mistakes. Not big mistakes, small mistakes, done again and again. Let's go through them in detail. Mistake 1. Entering without a plan. Many traders open chart and directly take trade. No clear entry condition, no defined risk, no exit plan. This is like driving without knowing the route. Result becomes random. Mistake 2. No stop loss discipline. Before entering, they decide, I will exit here. But when price reaches there, they change their mind. They move stop loss. Now a 2000 rupees planned loss becomes 10,000 rupees loss. This is not market problem. This is discipline problem. Mistake 3. Overtrading. One loss comes. They feel pressure. They take another trade, then another. Now they are not following a system. They are reacting emotionally. This is called revenge trading. And according to SEBI observations, many retail traders increase activity after loss, which leads to higher loss. Mistake 4. No backtest. They see a strategy online. They use it directly in live market. No test, no understand. This is like writing an exam without preparation. Mistake 5. Wrong position size. They start small. They get profit. They increase size. Then one loss comes and everything is wiped out. Now look at all these mistakes. These are not complex. Then why do they happen? Because trading involves emotion. When you see profit, greed comes. When you see loss, fear comes. So your decisions change. That is why many traders feel stuck. They think they need better strategy, but actually they need better execution. This is where Quantman helps in a practical way. Before trading live, test your strategy, see how it performs, understand drawdown, check consistency, so you don't enter blindly. You already know what to expect. Now think, if you just remove these mistakes, your results will improve significantly. That is the power of discipline. In the next part, we will go deeper into execution, because knowing mistakes is easy. Fixing them is the real challenge.